I'm Alexia Corse. I'm the Chief Commercial Officer at Transport for Wales, and I'm here today at Cardiff Central to talk about the launch of our brand new pay-as-you-go technology. So this is a first outside of London on the heavy rail network, and it's the fantastic opportunity for customers to tap in and tap out using their bank card or smart device between Newport, Cardiff Central and Pontyclun initially, and then it will be further rolled out across the whole of the South East Wales metro area by the end of 2024. It will be the first time that we'll be able to offer cheaper, more reliable, easier fares for customers between those stations and those journeys, and customers will be able to track their spend on their own account on our app. We are deliberately making fares cheaper and more convenient for customers who use pay-as-you-go. So fares will be capped at a daily and a weekly amount, and that is to encourage and incentivise customers to move to this new form of ticketing purchase, in effect. So with pay-as-you-go technology, you can use your bank card or your smart device to tap in and tap out. Now, for your first ever tap, we recommend customers use their bank card first. That will then activate customers' accounts with us. And then after that very first journey, customers can continue using their bank cards if they wish, or they can move and use their smart device. So I'm using my bank card as the first transaction. There we go. Here we are on the TfW app, and as you can see, there's a new icon at the bottom for pay-as-you-go. So if you click on that, you can therefore then see your account that is linked to the pay-as-you-go system, and there was my tap. That was the tap that I've just done through the gates. I just really encourage customers, colleagues, everyone to just give pay-as-you-go a try.